In this video, we will solve this problem. Neha went to a shop to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friend asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, the number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants purchased. Okay, so and the number of skirts is four less than four times the number of pants purchased. Help her friend to find how many pants and skirts Neha bought. Alright. So we don't know how many pants and skirts this girl Neha has bought. Alright. So let number of pants be X and let number of skirts be Y. Alright. So two statements are given here. See, the number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants. Alright. Number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants twice the number of pants. So we took number of pants as X, so this number of pants will be X. Twice the number of pants will be 2X, right? Twice the number of pants means double the number of pants, so it will be 2X. 2 less than that means we should subtract 2 from twice the number of pants. So this number of skirts, which is equal to Y, see, number of skirts we took it as Y, so this Y should be now equal to 2 less than twice the number of pants, so it should be equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, so this is the first equation we have. Now to write the second equation, see, we will use this sentence: the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. All right, number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times 4 times the number of pants. So number of skirts we took it as Y, right? Number of skirts Y is means is equal to is 4 less. Okay, 4 less means we should subtract 4 from what number? From 4 times the number of pants. Number of pants is X, 4 times will be 4X. So we should subtract 4 from 4X, because number of skirts is 4 less than, that is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. So this is the second equation we have. We need to solve these two equations, right? So let us simplify. Y is equal to 2x minus 2 and y is equal to 4x minus 4. If you observe carefully, LHS here is y, LHS here is y. So we can equate the RHS values. Okay. So 2x minus 2 will be equal to 4x minus 4. All x values one side and y and constants one side. So let us send this 2x on the other side. So minus 2 is equal to 4x. This plus 2x will become minus 2x and this minus 4 will become plus 4. So we have 2 minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x. Okay. So we have x is equal to 2 divided by 2, because this 2 goes on the other side, it will divide. So x is equal to 1. So what is x? Number of pants is equal to 1. Now if we substitute x is equal to 1 in either first equation or second equation, we'll get the value of y. Okay, let us substitute it in this. Y is equal to 2x minus 2. So y is equal to 2 into what is x value? It is 1. 1 minus 2 here. So 2 ones is 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to how much? It is equal to 0. So the number of skirts is 0. Okay. So Neha purchased only one pant and 0 skirts. Alright. So this is the solution for this question. I hope you understood the problem. Thank you so much for watching the video.